So, yan yung hotel. Seventh floor. My room is 701. Welcome, welcome. So let's have a room tour. Pagkapasok, there is a full-length mirror. And then CR over here. CR. They have a small bathtub, toilet, and complete toiletries. Yan, may hair dryer pa. Towels. Toilet paper. And then here's the bed. Sorry, nandyan na yung aking mga gamit. This is a yakata or pajamas, Japanese pajamas. They are renting it out for free. They're lending it for free. And this bed is good for 2 people. Merong picture frame dyan or artwork. And then you have refrigerator over here. Free water. Kettle over here. Saksak natin yung, I know. Is this nakasaksak na ba? Eh, bakit ayaw? There's a small table over here. Trash bin, phone, then TV. There are hangers over here and shoe polisher over here. Slippers. And I don't know what this is. Tingnan natin. So that's it. I got this from Agoda for only 7,000, almost 8,000. So it's a good deal for 4 nights. Amo lang na. Okay, thanks. Bye.